Houston, we have a problem.
Hello there.
Pizza time.
A baby. Like, really?
Yeah.
Do you think that it might have worked?
Yeah.
Do you miss him?
Yeah. Are you proposing?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Is that okay?
Certainly.
Doctor, can you give us a minute?
Certainly.
Can you give him the message?
Certainly.
You're good for it, right? Certainly.
Hey, if I come to a game, can I be your scorekeeper and statistician?
Certainly.
Can I ask you a question?
Sure.
Why? Would you ever date a 19-year-old?
Sure.
Could I learn some?
Sure.
Do you ever shop at Barnes & Noble?
Sure.
Could we split the check, please?
Sure.
Really? Sure.
That's complicated.
Yep.
Is that who you was looking for?
Yep. I know you. Yep.
Tired of the game?
Yep. Nail polish?
Yeah!
You want to go in?
Absolutely.
Do you understand?
Absolutely.
So you're saying I should keep trying?
Absolutely. You really think they'll remember me?
Absolutely.
Are you sure you understand the risks of stock ownership?
Absolutely.
So it's fine with you if I'm not smart.
Absolutely.
Sir, what would you like for dinner? A steak or 2 steaks?
Can I have both?
Of course.
Really?
Of course.
They will?
Of course.
May we? Of course.
Do you want to save our marriage?
Of course.
Interesting.
Indeed.
He is a rambunctious sword, ain't he?
It's the small victories, you know?
Indeed.
You never can tell with people, can you?
Indeed.
He has a lot of heart, my king, and nice man boobs.
Indeed.
Friends are more important than germs.
That's right.
This is at the pizzeria in Yonkers. Yes?
That's right.
7.
That's right.
You what? That's right.
So just pull the rope.
That's right.
So you're making out on the couch with me, right?
Correct.
For making you celebrate Christmas?
Correct.
Saying all that goes into Watergate.
Correct.
So you found 2 males, 3 females.
That's correct.
C-H?
Correct.
Care to dance?
I'd love to.
Would you mind helping me shop for this stuff?
I'd love to.
Really?
Samara, would you like to come?
I'd love to.
Will you go on a date with me tomorrow?
No, I have plans. I'm kidding. I'd love to.